Hello Vivekians, this is Srishti ma'am back again with the English language class, and today's topic for the discussion is adjectives, degrees of comparison. So yesterday as we studied much about adjectives, let's revise it a bit. Adjectives क्या होते हैं? Adjectives are the describing words that tell us more about person, animal, places and things which are collectively known as noun. That means adjectives वो words हैं जो हमें noun के बारे में बताते हैं. So here is an example with us. Let's see. The rat says I am tall. That means rat का यहाँ किसी के साथ कोई comparison नहीं है. वो सिर्फ अपनी बात कर रहा है कि I am tall. Elephant says I am taller than rat. That means now there is a comparison between rat and mouse. इसीलिए we have used taller than. The third now, the Mr. Giraffe says, I am the tallest of all. That means out of the three present here, giraffe is the tallest one. यानी कि वो सबसे बड़ा है. Here the comparison is made between three of them. तो अब इसी टॉपिक को today we'll be discussing as adjectives of comparison. So degrees of comparison says, सबसे पहले तो remember yesterday we did so many different types of adjectives. उसमें से एक था adjective of quality. तो degrees of comparison जो होता है टॉपिक हम जिससे डील करते हैं that only and only goes with the type of adjective that is adjective of quality. सिर्फ यही है जो comparison में अपने आप को change करता है. Okay, so this is called degree of comparison of an objective, and there are three types. The first one is the positive degree, the comparative degree and the superlative degree. Now let's study them in detail. First, the positive degree. It refers to one's object, person or place. That means यहाँ सिर्फ one person की, one place और one object की बात होती है. Remember the picture जिसमें rat की खाली बात हो रही थी, तो rat के क्या बोला था? I am tall. उसने अपना comparison किसी के साथ नहीं किया था. तो it can also be used when we are suggesting that two person or things are equal. अब comparison करने में equal to भी आता है. Maths में किया होगा ना? Greater, smaller, lesser, equal to. तो equal to करने के लिए भी we use positive degree only. Like we have an example here, Meena dash naughty dash a monkey. अब इसमें as use करते हैं. तो Meena is as naughty as a monkey. अब is आपने खुद लगाना है. is हम why we have used is over here, because we are talking of Meena. Meena is a single subject. That's why we have used is. In place of Meena, if we have more than one, so we could have used plural, that is are with it. Second example, we are having Vishal dash intelligent dash Sham. So Vishal is as intelligent as Sham. Again is used because Vishal is a single subject. Coming next to comparative degree, आपको नेम से ही पता लग रहा है, इट सेज कंपैरेटिव, कंपैरिजन हो रहा है. सो इट इज यूज्ड टू कंपेयर टू पर्सन और थिंग्स. लाइक एलिफेंट ने क्या बोला था? आई एम टॉलर देन रैट. दैट मीन्स कि कंपैरिजन इज मेड बिटवीन टू पर्सन और टू थिंग्स. Here another example is, my brother is taller than me. You must be having brother or sister at home. तो अगर वो आपसे tall है height में, तो what will you say? My brother or sister is taller than me. It is a degree greater than positive degree. Positive degree में there is no comparison, and in greater degree one step ahead we go. That means the comparison is made between two things, and to make the comparison we use the word then. THAN, then. An example is given here, gold dash costly dash silver. Gold is costlier than silver. अब यहाँ पर gold एक single subject है, so we have used here is, and costly की जो है वो second form आ जाती है, that is costlier, और उसके साथ क्या लग जाता है? Then. Another example, a giraffe is dash elephant. एक ब्रैकेट में वर्ड है tall, तो हमने क्या बनाया? A giraffe is taller than elephant. That means जब comparative degree को यूज करना है, तो first of all we'll make जो हमें adjective दिया हुआ है उसका हमें पहले तो second form निकालना है, that is taller, और उसके साथ we have to use the word then. Third one, superlative degree. It is used to compare more than two person or things. Like the giraffe said, I am the tallest of all. That means jitne bhi presents the there, out of them he was the tallest. That means the comparison is made between more than two people or two things. It can be so many also. It can be 10 in number or more than that. Example, my father is the tallest member in the family. So what it says, कि the father जो है वो height में must be the tallest one. First of all, you are there, you are tall. Then your brother is there, he is taller than you. And the third one, that is superlative, is the tallest. So it is the greatest degree of adjectives. ये adjective की सबसे बड़ी degree होती है, which is called as superlative degree. And to use this degree, we use the word the along with the adjective's third form. Third form of the adjective. अब ये कैसे बनानी है adjectives की first form, second form, third form, that I'll teach you in the upcoming slide. So for an example, let's have Venus dash hot planet dash in the solar system. It says Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. तो the लग गया and third form लग गई. Another, if you have in the form of fill in the blanks, the black box is dash of all the boxes in my house. और bracket में आपके पास word है large. तो आप क्या यूज करेंगे? थर्ड फॉर्म यू विल मेक लार्ज की, दैट इज लार्जेस्ट, और उससे पहले आपने क्या लगाना है? द. Now here are few rules which are we going to discuss ki how to form a comparative and a superlative degree. That means third, second या third form of the adjective आपने कैसे बनाना है. See, first form is called as positive, second is called as comparative, and third is called as superlative. Now see the first arrow, what it says. In case of most adjectives, we add er or est to the positive degree to form comparative and superlative degrees respectively. That means कुछ ऐसे adjectives होते हैं जिनमें हम लोग अगर उसको comparative form we have to make, then we add er, and if we have to make the superlative form we use the words est. You can see here it is near, the comparative form is nearer, and the superlative form is nearest. Same way, young, younger, er is added, and youngest, est is added. So this is the first rule for making comparative and superlative degree. Now second rule, the second arrow says, in case of adjectives ending in e, we add r or st to form comparative and superlatives. Now ऐसे adjectives which are ending with the word e, जिनके last में e alphabet आता है, for them to form comparative degree we only add r, and to form the superlative degree we only add st. Like fine, last word is e, so it is finer and finest. Next is noble, the last alphabet is E, so it becomes nobler and noblest. Third arrow says, in case of adjectives ending with consonant Y, we change Y into IER or IEST to form the degrees. Like the words or the adjectives which are ending with Y alphabet, like heavy or pretty. So heavy के साथ comparative में हमने y को हटा दिया, remove करा, and we have added IER, it becomes heavier. And to make the superlative degree we have again removed a y and we have changed it, added IEST, it has become heaviest. Same is with pretty, prettier, prettiest. The next one is, for some words with single consonant at the end, we double the consonant and add er or est. Now कुछ ऐसे adjectives हैं with which we have to add double the last alphabet, like big is there, G is the last alphabet, we have doubled it and added er, and again in the superlative also we have added, or we have doubled the last this alphabet and we have added est. Same is the case with sad, sadder, and saddest. Another one is mad, same we can go ahead with this. The next arrow says, for some adjectives we use more and most along with the adjectives to form comparatives and superlatives. Few words are there जिनके last में we cannot add er, iest or something like. So for with them, उनके पहले ही हम लोग comparative में we add more, and for superlative we add most. So like first is interesting, more interesting is the comparative form, and most interesting is the superlative form. Then again here in the same we have courageous, more courageous, comparative form, and most courageous is the superlative form. Last rule says some adjectives do not follow any of the rule. Few are there which do not follow the rule. So for such type are positive में होता है like it is good. Good is good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, many, it is more or most. Old, older or oldest. So these are a few examples and you have to learn them properly, that then only you will be able to go through the degrees of comparison. So coming up to the summarization, let's summarize. First thing that we did in this today's video was we came to know that only adjective of quality can be formed in degrees of comparison. Then for positive degree, 3 degrees were there: positive, comparative and superlative. For positive, only no comparison is made. The one person is talking about himself or herself or anything. For comparative degree, comparison is made between two and the word than is used. And for superlative degree, comparison is made amongst all or many people or many things, and there the word the is used. So kids, thank you for watching the video. A PDF is there on the school website related to today's video. Just go through that, solve it up, and you will see the answers tomorrow. Okay kids, bye bye, take care.